the 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, lane departure warning, and power windows. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.